In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in Norway in a simple and secure way. And you will see this tutorial is specifically adapted for Norway because it will work no matter what payment method you use and no matter what bank account you can use in Norway. So this is really perfect for you. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So to be able to buy our cryptocurrencies and in particular Bitcoin, I suggest going through the best crypto application that I know. I have tested dozens of them and frankly the best of all, at least in Europe. It's called Swissborg. It's a mobile application that you can download on your cell phone, which is very easy to use, really very intuitive, you can't go wrong, which offers the best prices and in particular the best exchange rate for your cryptocurrencies, and which also has a very high level of security. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. You just have to click on the link. You will be automatically redirected either to the Apple Store or to the Google Play Store to download the application. You just need to click on download the app like this. Registration takes just 5 minutes. It's really very quick. And what's more, by going through this link, it will allow you to unlock a bonus lottery ticket in the application, which will allow you to win up to 100 euros of crypto for you. So once you have downloaded the app, you just have to open it like this, register in the app. Like I told you, it takes a few minutes. Once you do this, you will land on the Swissborg homepage. Namely, Swissborg is really my favorite crypto application. This is where I make all my investments and buy all my cryptos. So that's why I can only recommend it to you 100%. You can really go for it with your eyes closed. So the first step will be to fund our Swissborg account to be able to buy our cryptos and in particular Bitcoin. So we're going to click on the plus at the top right. You can make a bank deposit directly. It's free, usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Or if you want to deposit money instantly on Swissborg, you can do it via your credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay or Google Pay. You just have to click on it. It's really very simple. Indicate the amount you wish to deposit, put it next, and then you just have to validate the transaction and your funds will be instantly credited to Swiss Bank. So once that's done, we'll have money to buy our cryptocurrencies and our Bitcoins. So we're going to click on the invest option at the bottom right like this. Click on buy cryptos. Then we will have all the cryptos available on Swissborg which will be offered to us. For example, we will buy Bitcoins like this. We click on it. Then we click on buy in green at the bottom. We indicate the currency with which we want to buy our Bitcoins. We indicate the amount we wish to use to buy our Bitcoins. We click on next like this. Then we have the very transparent summary of the transaction, namely that Swissborg is the platform that offers the best prices on cryptos in Europe and which guarantees the best exchange rate. In fact, it will scan the price of Bitcoin in different platforms and buy it precisely where there is the best price on these platforms, to then guarantee that we have the most cryptocurrency and Bitcoin with each transaction we make on Swissborg. So then you just have to click confirm. The transaction is usually completed within seconds. So here we are, we bought our first Bitcoin like this. So you see, it was really very simple and quick. Once that's done, you see the amount of Bitcoin you hold in your Swissborg wallet. After one day, if you want to sell your cryptocurrencies or your Bitcoin, you simply have to do the opposite operation. So you click on exchange in green at the bottom. You indicate the currency in which you wish to receive your money. So it will do the reverse operation. So our Bitcoins transformed into euros. And then you can simply remove them with the remove option at the bottom right. You will therefore be able to indicate your bank account, choose the country in which your bank account is located, and then validate the transaction. And usually it takes 1 to 3 business days to get those funds into your bank account. But usually it's more like a business day, it's pretty quick. So there you have it, you know everything. It was Gummy. Hello.